18, the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on rupees 10,000 for 2 years is 25. The rate of interest per annum is how much? Okay, so you have to calculate the rate of interest per annum. See, when they are going to give the difference between the compound interest and simple interest for 2 years, directly you can go for a formula. You can solve through concept, but directly you can go through formula. See here, the formula says difference is equal to P R square whole divided by 100 square. P R square whole divided by 100 square. So, the difference is 25 is equal to P means 10,000 into R square divided by 100 square, that is also 10,000. That is also 10,000. 10,000 get cancels. R square is equal to 25. Therefore, R is equal to root of 25. So, which is equal to 5. So, rate of percent is 5%. Option A is the right answer. See, very simple. Difference is equal to PR square. See, conditions applied only for 2 years. Okay, for 3 years the formula is different. Okay, so for 3 years in the problem number 17 itself we have discussed what is the formula. Okay, so for only for 2 years you have to use this formula. So, difference is equal to PR square by 100 square. Okay, so answer is 5%. Okay, so let us go to the next problem, problem number 19. So, the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum of money at 20% per annum for 2 years is 48. Calculate the sum. So, here you have to calculate the principal amount. Again, go with the same formula, the formula whatever we have discussed in the previous problem. So, difference is equal to PR square divided by 100. PR square divided by 100. So, difference is 48. 48 is equal to principal amount you have to calculate into R square, that is 20 into 20 R square divided by, it is 100 square, sorry, yes, 100 square. 100 square means 10,000. So, 2 zeros get cancels, 2 2s are 4, 4 25s are 100. So, principal amount is equal to 48 into 25. So, 25 8s are 200, 0, 20 carry over, 25 4s are 100, 100 plus 20, 120. So, the principal amount is 1200. Option B is the right answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem, problem number 20. On a certain sum of money lent out at 16% per annum, the difference between the compound interest for 1 year payable half yearly. Okay, compound interest for 1 year payable half yearly and the simple interest for 1 year is 56. So, in the previous problem compounded annually, but here compound interest for 1 year payable half yearly, it is nothing but half yearly only you have to calculate, or you may consider it as semi annually. Okay, so 16%, see here 16%, that is the principal, that is the interest on principal amount under the simple interest. Next we have to calculate, see they have given 56. Okay, so payable half yearly means 8% plus 8% plus AB, 8 into 8 by 100. So, 16 plus 64 by 100. Okay, so 16.64% you got. So, this is compound interest. This is compound interest. See, in this type of method, definitely the modified formula method helps you a lot instead of calculating each and every time. So, difference between compound interest and simple interest is 16.64 minus 16%, which is equal to 0.64%. So, 0.64% of principal amount is the difference, that is 56. That is 56. Now, principal amount is equal to 56 into 100 whole divided by 0.64. So, 2 digits are shifted, 2 zeros are added. So, 8 8s are 64, 8 7s are 56, again 10,000 by 8, Next, see here, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 fives are 40. So 1250 into 7, 1250 into 7. So which is equal to 7 zeros are 0, 7 fives are 35, 3 carry, 7 twos are 14 plus 3, 17, 1 carry, 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8. 8750, option C is the right answer. So under simple interest 16% in one shot, under compound interest directly if you want to calculate the interest amount on the principal, go for modified formula method, that is 8% plus 8% plus 8 into 8 by 100. So 16 plus 64 by 100, so 16.64. So the difference amount is 0.64. So 0.64% of P is equal to 56. So after calculating you got 8750 as answer. So option C is the right answer for problem number 20. The difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years. See here they have mentioned for 2 years. On a sum of money lent at 5% is 6, then the sum is, again you have to calculate the principal amount. So go for the formula, difference is equal to principal amount into rate of interest square divided by 100 square. So difference what they have mentioned, that is 6, is equal to principal amount you have to calculate, rate of percent is 5 into 5 divided by 10,000 divided by 10,000. So 5 into 5, 25, 25 fours are 100. So P is equal to 400 into 6. So 6 fours are 24. So 2400 is the principal amount. So 2400, option B is the right answer. Very simple. You simply apply the formula and according to the notations you substitute the values. Okay, after simplification you got P as 2400. So option B is the right answer for problem number 21. Okay, let's go to the next problem, problem number 22. If compound interest on any amount at the rate of interest of 10% per annum for 2 years is 2100, then what will be the SI on same amount for 2 years? See here, in the first case they have given the compound interest for 2 years and they are asking to calculate the simple interest. So it is very simple. So under compound interest scheme, if you want to calculate the percentage on single shot, then how much percent you have to calculate? See here, 10% plus 10% plus 10 into 10 by 100. So which is equal to 20 plus 1, 21% you have to calculate on principal amount. So after calculating 21%, you are going to get 2100. So 21% of P is 2100. That is the data what they have given. So under simple interest scheme, 10% into 2 years. So which is equal to 20%. So 20% of principal amount is how much? That's what they are asking. Okay, so cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, 21% of P into X is equal to 2100 into 20% of P. 20% of P. So P get cancels. Percentage you can neglect because both the side you have percentage, by 100 it is going to be get cancelled. So 21x is equal to 2100 into 20. So x is equal to 2100 into 20 by 21. So it cancels. You are going to end up with 2000. You are going to end up with 2000. Therefore, option D is the right answer. Very simple technique. Okay, very simple technique. On and altogether, how much percent you have to calculate under compound interest scheme? With the help of the modified formula method, you can calculate, that is 21%. And next, under simple interest, 10% for 2 years, that is 20%. So 20% of X. So after cross multiplication, you are going to end up with 2000 rupees. So option D is the right answer. Okay, let's go to the next problem, problem number 23. See here, the simple interest and compound interest compounded annually. So this is very, very important. On a certain sum of money with a given rate of period for 2 years are 900 and 954. The sum of money is, so here you have to calculate the principal amount. Okay, so how we can calculate the principal amount? You know only the interest for 2 years and you don't know the rate of interest, the how much rate percent they have calculated, you don't know. Okay, so you can go with the rate of interest. Okay, so the rate of interest we can easily calculate. 900 means 450 for first year and 450 for second year under simple interest. 450 for first year and 450 for second year. Under compound interest, 450 for first year, second year you are going to get 450 plus extra amount. So, altogether 900 plus extra amount, which is equal to 954. So, the extra amount is equal to 954 minus 900, which is equal to 54. So, for this 450 you are getting 54 rupees interest. Okay. So, 9 6 are 54, 9 5 are 45. So, 6 by 50 into 100 you do. So, 52s are 100. So, you got 12% rate interest. Okay, you got 12% rate interest. So, based on this you can easily calculate. Okay, so 12% of principal amount. Okay, 12% of principal amount under simple interest only you can take. Okay, so 450. So, 450 then principal amount is equal to 450 into 100 divided by 12 divided by 12. So, how much it will be? How much it will be? So, see here, 4 3s are 12, 4 25s are 100, next 3 15s are 45. So, the principal amount is equal to 150 into 25. So, altogether 25 zeros are 0, 25 5s are 125, 12 carry over, 25 1s are 25 plus 12 37. So, 3750, option D is the right answer. See, very simple technique, with the help of the concept we have solved. So, 450 for the 2 years, altogether they got 900 under simple interest. In compound interest, the first year amount will be same. Second year 450 plus extra amount. So, altogether 900 plus extra amount. So, 954 is the total amount. That extra amount will be 54. So, how much percentage it forms? It forms 12 percentage. So, 12% of principal amount is 450. This data already we know. Based on this, we have calculated the principal amount, that is 3750. So, option D is the right answer. Here we have completed almost every variety of the problem what you can expect in the bank exam. So, we have covered 23 varieties, 23 problems, each and every variety we have covered. Okay. So, whatever I have suggested is very important. All the problems whatever we have discussed was very easy except one problem, that is the calculation of rate of percent. See, if you feel that the calculations are bit difficult and you cannot save time, please skip those type of problems in your exam. Other than that, all the varieties were very simple. If you solve through the conceptual method, okay, the conceptual method, if you use that method, you can save lot of time and definitely you can attend more number of questions. So, compound interest is very easy. So, please don't skip the questions under compound interest in your exam. Okay. So, the varieties whatever we have covered are very important. You can expect these varieties in your clerical, PO as well as in S. Please read the questions properly, understand the questions properly and solve the problems. Thank you.